All right, so in this exercise, we're going to talk about things that are in the corners of rooms, okay, and how they kind of fit together. And what happens if something's in front of it, okay? Also, I want to put in an ottoman when something is in the middle. All right, so we're going to kind of start off with this bed, all right? We're going to connect just like we did in that first exercise where we only connect the corners that we can, all right? All right, so we're going to do that. Now, there are a couple of key little points here. Where it meets the corner is where you're going to draw over. So I'm going to line up to the edge, over, okay? So that tells us where our bed is. I'm going to erase the rest here. And remember, anything that's on the back wall is flat. So I'm going to draw a nice little headboard. Okay, it's a little wonky, but it works. All right, so let's talk about having maybe a dresser in the back wall. Same kind of deal. Let's put the corners all the way back, right? And we're going to connect. Now this one we know goes straight up because it's at the corner of the back wall. And this one is over on this wall. Oops, I gotta line it up. Oh, there we are. Erase. Now, just so you guys know, if something's front like this, okay, you can just draw flat on it, okay? So anything that's on the front face or on the front shape, as well as the flat back wall, is all flat, okay? Put some light candles in. All right, let's talk about this shape that's right in front of the bed. So we're going to connect, whoa, all right, there we go, to the vanishing point. But here's the thing, I'm not going to connect all the way through. I'm just going to make sure it goes in that general direction, okay? I'm going to connect to my points that go directly through. Now, why didn't I go through? Because it's going to go through my bed and it's going to be a lot of erasing. Corners, right there. Corner, right there, okay? It's going to stop in front. So we want to give it the illusion that it's in front. Here. And here. This could be like a little, so erase this, erase this. Now, what else would need to be erased? Obviously, all this right in here would have to get erased as well. Last one. Draw a square, right? So this is going to be our ottoman. Why you would have an ottoman in the middle of your bedroom, I don't know. Maybe you stole it from the, I don't know. I don't know. There we go. So let's connect. Okay. This one's going to get a little skinny because it's right almost under. Okay. Now we want this to be before here. So we're going to cut this off before I hit this wall. There we are. That's a very square ottoman, okay? Well, not if we put in some little fluffer knitters things. All right, we can also take this and adjust this, make some little feet. There we go. All right, okay. So once again, when we get into the corners, we follow along where the connecting points are, okay? If you want something to go straight up against it, you go right up against, and then you watch those corners. If you want something floating in the center, you do in the center, but you make sure that back edge is well before any other object. And once you're done with this one, you can go to exercise 6.